Hey y'all, we're gonna make some shake and bake pork chops. Homemade shake and bake pork chops today. So I got 2 cups of cornflakes, and I'm fixing to put them in this processor here and crush them up. Okay, let's see if I can get this open here. Alright, I think I got them pulsed up enough. Now, if you wanted, you can also put them in a bag and just hammer them away if you want to. But I got the easy way. I'm going to put them in here. And we're going to do some more. Unplug for safety. Okay, if you need it finer, you can chop it finer, but I think that's good enough. There we go. Now, if you want more than 2 cups, you can do more than 2 cups. And I'm wondering if I want more than 2 cups. Let me show y'all. Look at these pretty center cut pork chops. Don't they look yummy? I gotta get them ready, but I gotta finish getting this done. But I want y'all to see how pretty these pork chops are. And I'm thinking I may add a little bit more cornflakes to this. Okay, I added a cup of flour. So now I'm going to put some garlic powder in it. Put some poultry season. I'm going to put some paprika in it. Onion powder. Oh, move this over to the side. I'm going to put some parsley flakes in it. I'm going to put some garlic and herbs in it. And y'all can put whatever seasons y'all want in it. Oh, I'm going to put some salt and pepper in it too. But this is just what I picked out. And that's just what I want to do. Y'all know I don't measure. I'm just adding to it. And y'all put in the comments how y'all make, if y'all make homemade shake and bake. Tell me how y'all do y'all's. I may make mine different all the time. But anyway, y'all tell me what y'all do. This is the way I'm doing mine tonight. Woo! I got too much, but that's all right. But shake and bake, I didn't have no shake and bake. And I said, well, I'm gonna make my own shake and bake. And that's what you do when you ain't got something. You make do with what you got. So, that's what we're doing here tonight. And I'm going to shake them in this bag. Mix all this spices together. It's going to be good, y'all. Nice and seasoned. I ended up having 4 cups of the cornflakes, 1 cup of the flour in here. But if y'all need more, that's up to you. Depending on how many pork chops y'all got. If I see I'm gonna need more, I may add a little bit more flour. But I think I'll be alright. We'll see how it goes. Alright. Let me get these pork chops washed up and ready. Oh, I gotta get my salt and pepper too. Don't they look good? Nice center cuts. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on them. And I did add a cup of flour to the shake and bake, so that's 2 cups of flour. I love stuff seasoned. It just makes it taste better. Okay. Alright. Here's my shake and bake. I have a lot of shake and bake, but I'd rather have more shake and bake and not enough. So, that's what it looks like. Okay. Put this in there. This air out. Shake it. Shake it like you own it. Shake it like you own it. Okay. I gotta get a pan for this. Okay, I'm gonna put some lemon oil in my baking pan. I'm gonna spray it because you don't want it to stick. Shouldn't stick, but I don't want to take no chances. Okay. shake that excess. Lay it on here. Lay this on here. See if y'all seeing this good. Like that. Alright, let's get a couple more in here. Shake your booty, as I used to tell my grandbabies. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. There. And there. Got one more to go. Alright. Shake your booty. Shake it like you own it. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, the seasoning smells so good. Shake and bake, shake, shake, shake and bake. Alright, got it well coated. Alright. Take it off. And I got more, but like I said, I'd rather have more than not enough. Okay. There we go. Okay, they look so pretty. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven for at 400 for about, oh, I guess about anywhere between 15 to 25 minutes. And then we'll bring them back and check them out. Ooh, doggy. Don't like that. Look, some fine chops. Nice shake and bake pork chops. Oh, they turned out so pretty. And I made some mashed taters. Ooh, they look good. And I got some sweet potatoes. Gonna have a fine meal. Ooh, don't that look like a fine meal there? Oh, it looks so good. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna check it out. Y'all like a bite? That's good. And try some taters. And some of my yams. I say yams, but they're sweet potatoes. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I gotta get some more of these chops. Good. I'm trying with, I like to mix my food. It's good. I think it's a winner. I hope y'all will try this. And it was simple. But that's what we having tonight. So y'all try it. Hope y'all like it. And like I said, put it in the comment. Tell me how y'all do y'all's. If y'all have ideas for pork chops, tell me what y'all do with y'all's pork chops. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to know how y'all make y'all's. And I definitely love to know how y'all make y'all's shake and bake. Like I said, I did this, but next time I may do it a little different. But it's always your way of how y'all do y'all's recipes. But Anyway, as always, I love y'all. And y'all subscribe to me if you haven't already. The ones that have, thank you very much. And God bless y'all. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share my recipes. Share my videos. And y'all have a God bless day. And love y'all to pieces. Mwah!